Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit funds into MOBOX and PC. MOBOX is a blockchain-based gaming and DeFi platform built on Binance Smart Chain. PSA it combines yield farming NFT called MOMOs and plays to earn the mechanics into on ecosystem. On MOBOX you can stake and farm MBOX tokens, provide liquidity, open mystery boxes, play blockchain games, earn rewards through staking and NFTs. To participate in these features, you first need to deposit funds into your wallet and then into MOBOX pools or the farming sections, and let's walk through it step by step. First, open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type .mobox.io and enter it. Over here, you can deposit into MOBOX. You need to click in your wallet. Over here in the top right corner, we can find this wallet here. Go to this wallet and find this MBOX here. And over here, make sure to add funds to your wallet and withdraw tokens, BNB or MBOX to your MetaMask address. Choose the network as well. Wait for the confirmation. Your balance will appear in the MetaMask, and you will need BNB for the gas fee, MBOX or the LP tokens depending on what you want to deposit. And after depositing, you can see your staked amount in the pool dashboard. You can track rewards in real time. You can withdraw anytime unless the pool has a lock period. So thank you for watching this video. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.